Welcome back, Grow Family. In today's video, we're going to talk about top dressing. Now, it is highly recommended to not use liquid nutrients that you did not make yourself, as one, you simply do not know what's in them, and a lot of the times they are not organic. And two, the products that you can get and source yourself are so simple and easy to find that you might as well just take the organic route, because one, it'll save you a bunch of money, and two, your plants are going to love you in the long run. Now, to begin with top dressing, especially early in the vegging state, I always use a simple recipe of alfalfa meal and kelp meal. So follow me as I take you through top dressing using alfalfa and kelp. It's super simple, easy, and anyone can do it, so let's get started. Top dressing is a quick and easy way to feed, as you don't have to wait for days to make a tea, and you don't have to stress out about if a plant is taking enough of what you provided. Now, for my newly vegging plants, I will leave them alone until they show signs of hunger. But generally, if you are using a live soil, you won't need to feed your plants for quite some time. But these girls could actually use a nice small dose of nitrogen. If your plants are vegging, they require way more nitrogen to grow, so we'll focus on adding instant nitrogen with our organic amendments. And the number one way to add quick nitrogen I've found is to use alfalfa meal. To top dress, it is as easy as it sounds. You simply apply a set amount of each amendment directly to the top of your soil and water it in, and then watch as all the magic will start working its way down into your soil. For young plants, in 4 to 5 gallons, I simply use about 1 tablespoon of alfalfa, and I also like to add 1 tablespoon of kelp. Alfalfa meal is different in other amendments because it is instant release of nitrogen as opposed to being slow release like other dry amendments. It also contains a hormone called triacontanol that gives your roots a huge increase in growth, so it is super beneficial for newer plants. That being said, use alfalfa meal lightly because it is instant, and if you go light, you can always add more as you see fit. Also, adding 1 tablespoon of kelp meal will help to promote our plant's stress and pest tolerance. It is a very good amendment, and I use it with every soil mix that I use, so I highly recommend it. So, take your 1 tablespoon of alfalfa and simply layer it all around the top of your soil. Make sure you get it all around where you're going to be watering. Nice even coat will do. And as you saw, I kind of did a little less than 1 tablespoon just to see how the plant will react, as this is a little bit newer plant. Then, you will take your 1 tablespoon of kelp meal and do the same exact thing. I simply create a circle and just make another circle on top of the alfalfa. After adding it all around, you're just going to give it a nice watering, and that's really all. Always use fresh, unchlorinated water, as chlorinated water kills the bacteria that you're trying to help promote. So make sure you're using good water, as your water does matter. Well, that's all for top dressing with alfalfa. Thank you all. This is SB Live Soil. You can subscribe for more updates on all our series, as well as check below for a link to I Love Growing Marijuana's amazing free marijuana grow Bible. Thank you, everybody.